So this is my 2002 Honda Civic EX. I have replaced the rear speakers with these Kicker 6.5 100-watt RMS. That's the model number. These are not supposed to fit in the slot, but that's never stopped us before. So what I've done is I've taken the factory speakers, I removed the middle of the speaker and just left the bracket part. I re-screwed the bracket part without the middle back into the car. I got the industrial strength Velcro strips. I cut them. I put them around the circumference where the speaker and the adapter fits, 2 layers high. And then I put the speaker on top of it, and then I used window weather stripping to go around the whole thing to make it airtight. No drilling, no fuss, no muss. It does not take a degree to do this. There's no rattling, there's no anything. And if anything goes wrong, all I have to do is pull it back out and re-Velcro it. The Velcro was $4 from Home Depot. Industrial strength outdoor Velcro. That's the finished product. I'm going to assemble it, and then I'm going to go on to enjoy my Saturday. Hopefully this helps somebody. I didn't find anything similar to this when I was looking, so I decided to make something up. Hope it works for you. Peace out.